Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can stream or go live without showing your face and with music on. So uh, it's actually really simple. On the phone, you have control to your camera, whether you enable it or whether you disable it. So on the phone, when you go live, just press on the video icon and your camera will be cut, so you will not be shown, and you can actually stream what you're doing on your phone. Maybe it's a game, or maybe it's a blog that you're reviewing and reacting, or maybe you're watching a movie and reacting, all that kind of stuff. And if you want to play music, I'm sure you can do it as well. So on the PC now, so there are different ways to do it. So there is a Bigo live streamer and connector. So again, it's really easy to hide your face. You just block the access to your camera, and well, let's say a way to not show your face, and another from the OBS stream. So it's really easy. So right now I am recording, and this is a preview, right? So it's gonna be the same when I'm streaming too. So right now this is a display capture. So what you can do is well, for a music, for if you want to play some music, you just put some audio output captures, and well, of course another media source will help you if you want to play some music externally or on a different device, right? So on the webcam, there should be a option like this video capture device. What this does is it's an external device, like a camera, webcam, and other stuff. So when you set up this, your face or your webcam or whatever you're using, it'll be displayed somewhere here, here, here. You can choose where it goes, right? And you can again put a virtual camera somewhere. So if you just don't enable it or hide it like this, right? So if you hide it, then your connection to the front webcam or your camera will be cut. And you can play some music, and you can stream without showing your face and with some music. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.